Us here at FatCat are always trying to improve our product to make it easier for you guys to install and make it less of a headache. And it's one of the reasons why we're always trying to improve our product and make it a little better and easier for you to install. All right, the first product that I'd like to talk about is the HDMI extender. The HDMI extender comes with two devices. You have the sender and you have the receiver. The sender has dual Cat 5s that you see here. That's what's going to run in between your two pieces of equipment. One is for video and one is for audio. One of the tricks to this is that if you're not needing audio to a projector or any other type of source and you're just looking for video, you just need one single Cat 5 ram between the sender and the receiver. You also have on the one side here is the input for the HDMI and also an optional power that adds an extra boost for those long distances, and we recommend anything over 50 feet that you use the power. Then you have the receiver that will go at the equipment end. This also has the dual Cat 5, and we also recommend that you use a Cat 5e to be able to get the 1080p resolution with the HDMI extenders. Same thing, you have the output for the HDMI. That's going to go to your video source, your big screen TV, your projector, and then also an indicator that the power is connected. Some of you that are familiar with using the HDMI extenders may notice a different look, and what we've done just recently in the past month is added some wings to each side of the extenders, and that's just to allow you to be able to put this up on the wall, mount it behind the TV, and easily get it up out of the way. Another one of the major changes that we've done to help improve some of the compatibility issues that everybody has with HDMI is we've actually redesigned the motherboard inside to eliminate some of the problems that we've had working with certain DVD players and certain TVs, and it's just one of those things that comes along working with HDMI, and hopefully, you know, FatCat is trying to improve and always make a better product out there to make it easier for you guys to install. All right, so what we're going to look at is how to connect the HDMI sender portion of it. And what I have here is a Blu-ray DVD player, and what I've done is I've taken the HDMI out of the back of the Blu-ray into the input of the sender on the HDMI extender. I have two Cat 5 connected to it. I've built these by simply putting on the RJ45 connectors on here. One of the things while you're putting these together is that it is recommended that you use a 568A configuration. You can also use B, but the key thing is that whether you use 568A or B, if you forget while you're out in the field, you know, it's important that both ends are identical. So do it however you want to, as long as both ends are the same. It's going to work for you. So I plugged in the video side of it. I have the audio side of it. What you're noticing here is that you have the power indicator. If I unplug the power that's in here, it's still going to be powered up because it's using the power off the HDMI, but we recommend using the power if you get up above 50 feet length of Cat 5. So I'm going to leave this plugged in for now, and we'll look at the connection on the TV side. All right, so now that we have the transmitter connected with the Cat 5s coming from the DVD player, we have the receiver end of it that you see here that will now have the two Cat 5 cables coming from the transmitter to the receiver, and now that's going to convert that signal into an HDMI output that will now go into the back of the TV. Will give us the 1080p that we would normally get over HDMI cable, and we can do it over Cat 5. So it's once again is an inexpensive way to be able to run high quality video long distances and have multiple locations to choose from after the job is complete.